Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to create non-returnable inward get ready to outward. From Inward Register page, click on Action button of the non-returnable pending inward. Select Process Inward option from Action drop-down. From Process page, select Ready to Outward from Status drop-down button. Give remark for the same, and then click on Submit button. On Inward Register page, we will see the status of that inward is completed. Click on Action drop-down button, so that now we can get options like, to get inward receipt, delete inward, and send acknowledgement of receipt on email. We can select any one of the option if needed. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.